With the help of the SimPie plugin, pivot-based diagrams, in this case pie charts, can be created and the data connected to SimAssist can be evaluated quickly and efficiently. The following video shows how such a diagram can be created. The data used in this video was connected to SimAssist using the database definition plugin. How this works exactly is explained in another video. The link to it can be found in the description below this video. First, you create a new folder named Data Evaluation. Then you add a new instance of the SimPie plugin from the ToView module. In the upper area, you will find the menu that appears when you drag a new instance of the plugin into the project window. Adding data to the plugin is done simply by drag and drop. For example, drag the table FLG Flugdaten onto the diagram area of the plugin. Now the data is connected to the plugin and the columns are listed in the content area. In this example, the distribution of passenger numbers is to be clearly displayed. In addition to the passenger numbers, the table FLG Flugdaten also contains information about delays of individual flights, names of departure and destination airports, aircraft types, and departure and arrival times. From the content area, you can distribute the columns to the pivot fields below and thus create the desired diagram. To do this, you first add the column FLG Passengers to the data area. This action alone is enough to draw a first diagram showing the total number of passengers. The next step is to show how many passengers are expected to be delayed on their flights. To do this, the column FLG Delay is moved to the row area. Now the diagram is divided into two areas. The value false stands for no delay. True indicates that the flight is delayed. In order to keep the overview after further subdiving the diagram, the chart designer is used to activate the title for the current and all following diagrams. By adding the column FLG Departure to the column area, the existing chart is divided into 6 diagrams. Each chart represents one of the 6 departure airports in the FLG Departure column, as indicated by the title. Now you can read from the diagrams at which airports delay occur most frequently. In a further step, one airport is now to be examined in more detail. For this purpose, the filter in the column FLG Departure is edited, and then the column FLG Airplane Type is moved to the column area. By this new distribution of the columns, it can be read from the diagram that the two aircraft types B747 and B737 are responsible for the delays in this example. A nested representation is also possible. This can be achieved by moving the column FLG Airplane Type into the row area. The inner ring represents the delay. The outer segments assigned to the two areas represent the individual aircraft types. Finally, for better readability, the type of labeling can be adjusted using the Label button. Now the diagram is created and formatted. In another video on our Simplin YouTube channel, you can see how you can export such a diagram into a PowerPoint presentation. This brings us to the end of the presentation about the plugin SimPie. More videos about other SimAssist plugins can be found on the YouTube channel of Simplanergy. For further information or a free trial version of SimAssist, please contact us at the address shown or visit our homepage www.simassist.de.